Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing the error message Preauth Playintegrity verification failed while trying to use the ChatGPT app, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue easily on your device. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Method 1. Disable VPN or fake location apps. The first thing you need to check is whether you are using a VPN or any fake location app. These can interfere with the Playintegrity checks. If you have a VPN or fake GPS app enabled, turn it off. After disabling them, restart the ChatGPT app and see if the error is gone. Method 2. Update or reset Google Play Store and ChatGPT app. Sometimes clearing app data and restarting updates helps. So first open your settings app. On the settings app, scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. When the ChatGPT shows up, click on it. Now, tap Clear Data at the bottom. Then select Clear Cache and clear all data. Now uninstall the ChatGPT app. In the same way, search for Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. Tap on it. Now tap on Storage. Then Clear Data and Clear Cache. After doing this, go back and tap Uninstall Updates to reset the Play Store. Once done, go back to the home screen. Open the Play Store and reinstall ChatGPT from the Play Store. Now launch the app and check if the issue is fixed. Method 3. Check device integrity for rooted devices. If you are using a rooted device or have installed custom rooms, that could be the issue. Here's what you can do. Open the Magisk app if installed. Make sure Zygisk is enabled. Add the ChatGPT app to the deny list. Then reboot your device. This will help restore Playintegrity checks and may resolve the error. That's it. Hopefully one of these methods worked for you. If it did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.